Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 3rd to the 9th. We are already in August and this is the week of fancy shampoo and body wash. Okay, so last Wednesday we got these two boosters. The top one is online only. Spend $45 to earn back $15 in Walgreens cash. The bottom one is either online or in-store. $9 back when you spend $40. And I think if you're going to do a $45 basket, probably the two will stack. So we will have to investigate that one on Monday with the curbside deals. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 3rd. Currently, I don't have a free photo code for you guys. However, in the ad, there is 50% off of all enlargements. So the cheapest one that's 39 cents would be $20 with the code 50 all day. And then possibly a booster may print for you. Don't forget to punch in your phone number when you're getting your 20-cent print. Now, here's a little funny thing. Funny haha. These 5.3 ounce Dubai style chocolates by Lindt, $14.99 at Walgreens. Thumbs up if you think that is a bad deal. Unless this thing is going 90, look but don't touch. $14.99 for one candy bar, and usually any Lindt chocolate of that size is like, I think like $4.99, which is still expensive but is a fancier one. But $14.99. I almost died. Thank God I didn't. Okay, straight away with the Dove body wash for $7 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and then earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. Grabbing two for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $4 for the two, or $2 per body wash. That right there is a really good stock-up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. What is a booster? Well, I just showed you one at the front of the video. The spend $40 to earn back $9. The one at the bottom, or possibly a paper one like a $5 back when you spend $15. If you're not utilizing it in a deal, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn a register reward, and that is for all the new shoppers out there. The register reward prints after your transaction, not in the middle, not when you show up, at the very end after you've paid and you get your receipt. It should pop out of that machine. The next deal that we have is a buy one, get one, 50% off on Axe, Dove, all these good products. $5 reward when you purchase two. Grabbing two of the Dove shampoos on a BOGO, 50% off. That'll be $9.73. Back with a $5 register reward. It makes it $4.73 for the two. Sunday, will we be getting some coupons for this? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, this is possibly a very good deal. Head and Shoulders with a $3 digital. If it's for the clinical strength and bare, typically they give us a 3 off a 2 or a 4 off a 2 for the $6 ones, which is the no frills one, but a lot of us love Head and Shoulders. Two of these for $12, subtracting a digital coupon, a 3 off 2, you would pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the two, or $3 per Head and Shoulder. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Buy one, get one, 50% off on Gillette, Old Spice, blah, 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 with an 8 back when you buy 4 and a 7 off 2 probably. Unless there's a 7 off 2 for the ladies and the men's, that Old Spice total is $13.99 per deodorant. Almost $14 for one deodorant. That is crazy. They got to give us some better coupons for this to become a deal, because to pay $40 for this, the answer is no. So as I said, it's a preview. We need some magic here, and coupons for both the Secret and the Old Spice. And if that appears, possibly a deal. But right now, just with one 7 off 2, the answer is no. Crest or Oral-B brushes at $3.50 a pop, grabbing 3 of them for $10.50. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, so after that comes off, you'll pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3, or 16 cents per brush or paste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. As the news broke last week that P&G is raising the price on many of their products, Crest included, this might be the week to stock up. OGX, buy one, get one 50% off, $2 reward when you buy two with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos for $17.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11.98, get back a $2 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.99 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you might have a $10 register reward from one of the razor deals or one of the other deals from last week, I would definitely utilize it in this transaction because it is a little bit much. But if you love OGX, not a bad deal. Now, we're going to have to wait and see the coupons that we get for the Always Tampax because a lot of them are expiring as it's the end of the month. But grabbing 3 of the boxes of Tampax on a BOGO 50% off, that's $23.72. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $18.72 for the 3 or $6.24 per. And for those of you that are like, well, why didn't you grab 4? It would be like almost $35 for 4 of them, even on a BOGO 50% off if you look at the math. So this is the cheaper way to do it. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, go for it. You'll still earn your register reward if you're doing the deal with no booster. Next deal is quite interesting on the $8 fancier Colgates, $5 reward when you purchase 2 with a 4 off coupon. We currently have a 4 off and a 3 off. So if both of these are still around on Sunday morning, here's the deal. Grabbing 2 of the fancier toothpaste, that'll be $16, subtracting $7 of digitals, you'll pay $9, get back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This fancy body wash for $10, probably the Old Spice one. Grabbing 2 of them for $10, we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $13. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And definitely, I would stock up on these body washes this week. Again, they're supposed to be raising the price of many P&G products, and I'm pretty sure this body wash will be at the top of the list. The Harry's products that include the bath or personal care, $10 reward when you spend $25 or more. So the body washes are currently $7.99 a pop at Walgreens. Your store might be a little less than mine, so double, triple check the math. I think in larger markets it might be $6.49 or $6.99. IBOTTA currently is offering $2 back with a limit of up to 3. You will have to double, triple check that you have this rebate on Sunday. Along with Fetch, they're giving back 1,500 points for every $10 spent with a limit of up to 3 times. So technically you can earn up to $4.50. So grabbing 4 of these body washes for $31.96, get back that $10 register reward, $6 back from IBOTTA and $4.50 back from Fetch. It makes it $11.46 for the 4 or $2.86 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And a little paper deal for $4.99. The Bounty, the Charmin, puffs included. $5 reward when you purchase 4, and they're $4.99 a pop. Grabbing 4 of them for $19.96. Get back your $5 register reward, making it $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. However, on Sunday morning, will we be getting some new Charmin, Bounty, Puffs coupons? That's the question. And if the answer is yes, this deal just got a whole lot better to stock up on the paper products we love so much by P&G. Honorable mention time. The first HM goes to this online coupon code of August 15, August 20 to save an additional 15% off of a $35 basket or 20% off of a $50 basket. That certainly will come in handy next week. We have a buy one, get one free on the La Colombe coffee. If you need a little pick-me-up first thing in the morning, this is not a bad little drink to be picking up. I love that this deal is still lurking around. It's a buy two, get two for free on the Coca-Cola products. Nice fizzy water, Topo Chico, kind of like a bubbly. So happy that that's there because it's a cheap stock up price. 3 for $5 on the Cheez-It crackers. Definitely a stock up price there. And the final honorable mention is the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It makes it 93 cents per box of 20. That is a really good price point. And as you guys know, the Dollar General clearance event is still ongoing this weekend, right till the 7th, which is next Thursday. I have a video of my haul if you want to watch it, linked right here. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.